children. Hope you all are doing fine. I invite you all for this video class. Before starting our class, I want you all to join with me before you study. Join with me in singing, I will wear a crown. Okay, we'll sing, I will wear a crown. I will wear a crown in my father's house, in my father's house, in my father's house. I will wear a crown in my father's house. There is joy, joy, joy. I will wear a robe in my father's house, in my father's house, in my father's house. I will wear a robe in my father's house. There is joy, joy, joy. I will play a harp in my father's house, in my father's house, in my father's house. I will play a harp in my father's house. There is joy, joy, joy. I will come and go with me to my father's house, to my father's house, to my father's house. Come and go with me to my father's house. There is joy, joy, joy. Okay, children, let's pray. Our Father in heaven, we thank you, Lord, for being with us throughout the past. Lord, as we start today's studies, I want submit all the children in your mighty hand. Bless them as they are going to watch the video. Let them understand the story well and do their exercise, Lord. Be with us, forgive us, save us for the eternal life. In Jesus' holy name I pray. Amen. Okay, children. Today we are going to, hope you have completed the third unit poem and exercise everything you have finished, isn't it? And coming to the glossary part. Coming to the supplementary, page number 140. Page number 140. We are going to study something very, very interesting story about our legend. About a legend. Okay. And the story from our country. Okay. And you all know what it is, isn't it? It's an India map and the neighboring China. Okay, so the war between China and India. Okay, Indo-China War, the year 1962. Okay, what happened during that time? What had happened? And we are going to look into this chapter in the supplementary, the legend of Jashwantkar. Okay, Jashwantkar is the place in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, in present Arunachal Pradesh. Hope you can see that place here. Arunachal, this is the border. So the China also want to take the place. Okay, want to join this state to China. So that's why the war started and how the people were fighting towards to save the state of Arunachal Pradesh from China. Okay, so that is the story we are going to study. So before going to the lesson, I want to show you something very, very important one. Okay, about one person we should know before going to the book reading. Rifle man Jaswant Singh Rawat. Okay, we are going to study about him and his work, army soldier, how he sacrificed, because the third unit about our nation, right? We have studied about the soldiers, okay, and also patriotism we studied. Okay, the same way we are going to study what had happened in the 1962 about Jaswant Singh Rawat. Okay, he was a Indian Army soldier serving in the Gawal Rifles, who won the Mahavir Chakra posthumously as a result of his action. Okay, even though he got this Mahavir Chakra, okay, after his death. Okay, that's the word is. That means even the person is not there, still they were giving a respect and they award him as a result of action during the battle of Naurang Nang. Naurang Nang in present day Arunachal Pradesh. India during the Sino-Indian War. He was born in 19th August 1941 in Pauri, Garhwal, and died on 17th November 1962. Okay, only 21 years old. Okay, rank of. Okay, so that means rifleman means he can use a small weapons in the war. That also not in the back, front. Okay, you'll be going front to meet the enemies. So you can use the guns, small weapons, what all he can able to attack the enemies to save the nation. So that's why he was working. He's the beginner of the infantry soldier. Okay, coming to see the Indian army people, how much they were struggling. So this is the place where they were Jashwant Singh. Okay, music, they were built for him. Whoever passed that way, they will honoring. Without saluting, they will not move that much. Okay, even China people sent a memento for him because of his braveness. Okay, so we are going to see what kind of braveness he had for during the war. Okay, what a okay, Jashwant. So these are the memory of Jashwant Singh. So this is for your view. See, this is a memorial, Jashwantkar War Memorial. Okay, so built for him is one of the tourist place in Himachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a I see. See, so people, the soldiers has to be there. How the climate, so they have to tolerate everything. Really, they have to sacrifice everything, and they were fighting for our nation. And here some of the pictures of him, how people, even statues, they made a statue for his braveness. Okay, children, let us read our lesson. The legend of Jashwant Kaur. Jaswant Singh Rawat was an Indian soldier. The place Jaswantkar is in Arunachal Pradesh gets its name from him. Okay, the legendary story. You know, legendary means a historical person, a story. The Battle of Nauran. Okay, the Battle of Nauran Nang. Okay, easy to pronounce. Nang. Battle of Nang, handed down through the ages of Nang, is inspired and records the valor and patriotism of Jaswant. Okay, so that's what people say about his braveness. Jaswant Singh, Indian soldier, how brave he was, how brave while attacking the enemies. Okay, not very far, very close. Okay, very close, and he was attacking. That's why he got legendary. They say legendary of Jashwant. That is the lesson, legendary of Jashwant. The place, the name of the place become his name. So they kept the memory. So okay, They say records of the valor and patriotism. That means he was very much what? Great courage and lack of fear. Okay, Jaswant had a great courage and lack of fear, especially during the war or in war. Okay, that's why they called him as a Valur in battle. Okay, the soldier of Valur. Okay, that means he was a lack of fear, no fear at all. Only he had a courage and braveness to fight. You want to chase the Chinese from the border while when they were planning to attack and take the state of Arunachal Pradesh. They want to join. Okay, okay. Let us go to the lesson now. Okay, take page number 141. That is the lesson we are going to study. There was a war between India and China in the year 1962. In the final part of the war, Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army. Okay, Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian army against the Chinese army. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours at 5 a.m. Okay, 72 hours means how many days? 3 days. Okay, and at 5 a.m. in the eastern Himalayas, you know how the climate will be, Himalayas, the Chinese army attacked the lonely Indian post in Nauranang. Okay, post. Only the single soldier was there, Indian, lonely Indian soldier post. Knowing that the Chinese army was stronger, the Indian soldiers on the post were ordered to retreat and regroup, but Jaswant did not leave his post and decided to continue the fight to hold the Chinese until the reinforcements. Okay, until the reinforcement. So what the story about? About the battle between China and India, and in that the last Nauranang was the last stand of the Indian. Okay, so he has to stand alone and fight. Okay, Nauranang. But Indian soldiers, Chinese soldiers were 300 people. So the battle was started on 17th November and continued for 72 hours. See, he was fighting alone against the Chinese. But the Indian soldiers on the post were ordered to retreat. They say, you come out, okay? You will make it later on. So they want to regroup. But Jaswant did not want to come out from the come out because he want to save. He doesn't want to make the Chinese army to come inside. So he was standing against them, and he was trying to do some because he has a small weapons with him. Okay, he wants some help. People going to help him. So somehow, so three people were and two were also were killed, and he was unable to continue, but still, because of his braveness, he said he didn't show that nobody's with him. He alone stood as though he were 300, 400 people were soldiers were with him. That kind of noise he was making. Okay, and okay, saying okay, Nauran is a northeast, okay, northeast frontier agency in India. Okay, and northeast means that side, now present Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and there he was fighting, and he was the person last man standing to fight against, and he was doing, and he didn't tell, people were telling we'll somehow until the reinforcement. Okay, until the reinforcement we will decided to continue the fight, hold against the Chinese. What a brave, even though he was alone, he didn't get scared of it, but the only thing as the courage and braveness and also the love towards the country made it to fight against the enemies. Okay, the village girls named, okay, the village girls named Sela and Noora helped Jashwant. Okay, he was alone. During that time, he got help from two girls named Sela and Noora. They set up weapons at separate points. Okay, because one person, but the weapons will be in separate places. Jashwant taught the girls to fire guns. Okay, so the two girls helped Jashwant, and so he taught the girls how to use the fire guns. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army, because the other side 300 to 400 or minimum 800 people will be there. Okay, but here only just one, and with the two girls, help of two girls, and he started threatening them. Okay, using the small weapons, fire guns, and he was threatening them. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. Okay, he was sometimes this side and sometimes the other side, but the girls will keep it ready the other side. And when he goes there, and he will, so as though there are so many soldiers, okay, and 3-4 soldiers are fighting against them. Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. His intention was to give the Chinese army a perception that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. Okay, how he got an idea? He was alone, but the way he is kept, okay, as though there were so many battalions, okay, group of soldiers are there. So the perception, the Chinese should think that there are more people, okay, the more soldiers there. So it's very hard to tackle or attack. So that's, they should think that way. So that he thought, and he got an idea, and with the help of two girls, Noora and Sela, he was doing. He did this for 3 continuous days, not 1 or 2 hours, 72 hours, 3 continuous days. Jaswant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. Oh, what a mighty war is it, isn't it? And how many? 300 soldiers they were killed, only with one soldier with the help of two girls, and with the guns, fire gun and small weapons. They killed how many? 300. 300 soldiers they were killed. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. Okay, so they want to cut the food supplies, because food, if you cut this food, they will lose the energy, and so they will not fight against us. So that's what the Chinese soldiers thought. But here, as though Jaswant was single with two girls fighting as though big battalions. Okay, so what a wonderful courage, isn't it? It's a really a courage of a soldier. So we'll see what happened to them. Is it continued and they saved their life? Okay, let us see. Okay, the Chinese soldier caught the man who bought. Okay, when they cut food supply in the village, a man was feeding them. A Chinese soldier caught the man who brought food for this. Okay, for these three. In this Chinese interrogation, okay, interrogative is study, right? Interrogation means asking question. Okay, the Chinese soldier was standing on the border, and he got the man who was bringing the food for these three, for Nura, Sela and Jashwant. And he was asking question, where you're going, what, why, where you are, for whom you're taking the food, and all that kind of question must have been asked. The man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. A single soldier and two village girls had fooled the Chinese. They were shocked and furious. Okay, the old man, he didn't say any lies, and he told there was a single soldier was in the post, so I'm going to give the food, and also two village girls. Now the Chinese soldier got really, they were shocked. Oh, they fooled us as though so many soldiers are there. Okay, and even though we lost the war, okay, for Chinese, they were shocked and furious. They surrounded Jashwant Singh and launched the final attack. Okay, what happens? These people come to know the truth that just went alone there, and the people, Chinese, were started attacking him. Just when shoot himself as a Chinese were going to capture him. So Jaswant knew that they will, because he's alone. There are so many soldiers from Chinese troop, and they will come and kill him before that, or they will capture him, and we don't know what they will do. Sometimes they kill, sometimes they take to their places and persecute them, torturing them and killing. So what Jashwant himself as a, okay, Jashwant shoot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. A grenade blast killed Sela Noora. The tribal girl was captured alive, okay, and killed Sela. One girl was killed in the blast, and Noora, the tribal girl, was captured alive. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brass bust of Jashwant, okay, a statue. Okay, brass bust means till the neck, because they were really, even the Chinese army were amazed and shocked to know how brave he was, and fighting 3 days alone. Okay, and even they sent a written a brass bust of Jaswant. A war memorial with the brass bust was made to remember him and his service to the nation. See the statue. Okay, nation. All army present personnel who passes through this memorial pay their respect to him. Okay, the Indian army still treated him as a serving officer and awards him promotions. India awarded him the Mahavir Chakra Jashwant. Okay, Mahavir Jashwant may have died in the battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jashwantkar and the Indian army. Okay, see what a wonderful story about, a real story about the Indian soldier Jashwant. Okay, Jashwant Singh Rawat. Okay, Jashwant Singh Rawat. Okay, after the war, even the Chinese were uh, returned a brass bust of Jashwant. Okay, a memorial with the, okay, to remember Jashwant because the braveness of his fighting against the enemy. And even Indian army also didn't forget his sacrifice and the braveness. Okay, and if, as though he leaves, they awarded him Mahavir Chakra, second highest award of the for the Indian Army. So he received the award for his braveness and love towards his country. And also we should not forget the girls, tribal girls of, okay, Sela and Noora, who helped the Jaswant. What a wonderful patriotism story, isn't it? So soldiers are sacrificing their life, okay, because of the braveness. We have saved Arunachal Pradesh, as it's now in India. It's not in, okay, children. So legend, a story from the past. Okay, this is the story about Jashwant Singh Rawat. Is a past story, and we are, that's why the story title, The Legend of Jashwant Kar. Okay, that is the place they made it, Jashwant Kar. Garhwal means an administrative division in the Uttarakhand. Okay, when you see the map, you will see Uttarakhand, Nepal, everything it's following. Okay, and regroup, organize a new tactical formation because he's alone. They say you come back. Okay, we will make a new group and we will go and we'll attack. But he didn't come. Reinforcement, additional army to support. They said we will send additional army to till the reinforcement. But 3 days, yes, to, okay, Monpur tribe, the girls, okay, the tribal group in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, that's where they tribal girls. Battalion means a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Interrogation, the question someone aggressively asked. Brass bust, a statue made of brass depicting a person's head and neck. Okay, these are the words we will learn in the lesson while we are reading. Okay, when you narrate the story very shortly, okay, there was a soldier, there was a war in between India and China in the year 1962. In that war, there was a brave man, brave soldier named Jaswant Singh Rawat. Okay, and during that time, they only a single soldier stood up and fought for 3 days. Okay, and he didn't retreat, he didn't go back. Okay, because I'm alone, so let me also escape. He didn't escape, and he stood up and he was fighting against China. During that time, two tribal girls were helping. One is Sela, and another one is Noora. Okay, these two girls were helping him 3 days, and he set a different fire gun, different places, as though they were 300 to 400 soldiers. He was making continuously. He was shooting them in different places, and somehow he was fighting. Finally, the Chinese, they stopped the food, but still, one man was helping to give food. One, he was traveling, going to give the food. The Chinese soldier got, and he was asking question where you're going. And with the man didn't tell any lies. He told the truth that there is a one man on the post, so I'm going. So now the Chinese understood that there is only one soldier. So they started coming in and to kill the soldier. Before they could come, he stood by himself and saved. Okay, and the war went on. And so the Indian army, okay, they honored him, and as though so he lives, okay, every year they remember the day and honor him. And also they given a great award of for his braveness, Mahavir Chakra. Okay, that is the award is given, the second highest award in the Indian army. Okay, he received because of his braveness. Okay, so that is about the lesson. Okay, coming to the answer the following. Coming to the answer the following. Where is Jaswant is located? Okay, where is Jaswant is located? Page number 143. I will put the answer in the next video. Okay, but now just orally we will see. Is located. Jaswantkar is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Which place was the last stand of the Indian army? Which place? Naurang. The last stand of the Indian army was Naurang. When did the Battle of Naurang start? How long did it continue? On 17th November 1962, the Battle of Naurang started. It continued for 72 hours. 3 days, 72 hours. Who helped Jashwant in the battle against Chinese? Two village girls named Sela and Noora helped Jashwant in the battle against Chinese. What happened to the two girls at the end of the war? What happened? Grenade blast killed Sela. Noora was captured alive. How was he honored by the Indian government? He was honored by the Indian government with the Mahavir Chakra. Okay, he was honored with Mahavir Chakra by the Indian government. Okay, this is how we are going to answer it. Okay, coming to the fill in the blanks. Jashwant Kar is named after the Indian soldier Jashwant Singh Rawat. Okay, the Chinese troops attacked the lonely Indian post located in Naurang. Jashwant was helped by Dash tribal girls. Village of Monpa. Jashwant managed to kill Dash Chinese soldiers. 300 soldiers. Jaswant Singh Rawat was awarded Mahavir Chakra. Easy answers, easy fill in the blanks. Coming to true or false again. Naurang is in Himachal Pradesh. Naurang is in Himachal Pradesh. False, is not in Himachal because they were just fighting. Okay. And the Battle of Naurang lasted for 3 days. That is true, 72 hours. Just when this decided to stay in his post. True. Jaswant was captured alive. False. He himself shot. According to the Indian Army, Jaswant is still serving. Yes, true. Rearrange the story in order. Okay. Rearrange the story in order. You have to read and just do it. Okay. When I give answer, you check whether it is correct. Okay. Coming to the book exercise again. After the question and answer, you should not forget to do this also. Try your own national flag. You know how to draw. First, you have to draw national flag and the meaning of the colors you have write, and the flag also you write the meaning in your mother tongue. Okay, national flag, Desiya Kodi you have to write, parts of speech you have to write, and the is in a sentence also. It's all you have to do in your own. Okay, and the next one, read the passage and color one flag each time. That means you have to read 3 times. One time if you read, color it. Second time you read and color it. And third time you read and color it. And answer the question answer below is given. Our national emblem is taken from Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. Okay, choose the picture from the passage. Where is our national emblem taken from? The first line itself, the answer is there. It is taken from Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. It is found on all government documents, coins, currency, notes, postcards, and envelopes. It consists of 4 lines standing back to back, but we can see only 3 lines at a time. There is a Dharma Chakra in the center of the base plate with the figure of a bull in the right and that of a horse in the left. The entire structure is sitting on a lotus. The entire structure sitting on a lotus. The words Satyameva Jayat are written in it Devangari script. These words mean truth alone triumphs. Okay, truth alone triumphs. Where is our national emblem found? What does Satyameva Jayat mean? What are the animals found in the emblem? So when you read, you can write the answer. So this all you do it on your own, and when I give the answer, you just correct it if you have written. Write the Angry Fox story on your own by looking at the picture and using the clues given under the picture. Okay, you just go through. I'll give you the answer too. And read I can do passage, and after finishing that, don't forget to color this page also. When you complete each of your book exercise, you have to color this part. Okay, children, and you have to do it. So remaining answers, what all we missed today, the answers, questions, every will be in the another video. Before that, okay, today we had a class, some of the, okay, I have sent you the answers, what the grammar we have finished today in your WhatsApp. Complete the handwriting, complete the composition, grammar, book exercise, as well as classwork. Okay, in the last video, I given the question answers for poem, everything. Okay, children, do it everything on time and complete. Okay, we'll call, how we call for the test note correction, we call for the classwork correction too. Okay, so be ready anytime they'll give you a message. Okay, children, take care. Go through the lesson, supplementary, read by yourself and understand the story well and answer the questions. Okay, I will send you the answer the following in the next video. Okay, children, take care. Have a nice day. God bless you all.